Hi everybody, this is Liz with 143 Handmade, and I'm here with the open collab by Susan Hiles at Susan Hiles Art and Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming, and it's the cornucopia of recipes. And I think I showed the basic cover last week, but I've added this page in here. I've added a couple little flowers and whatnot. I added this page in the center just to have a little bit more room to add photos and stuff, and not just have a couple of pockets for the recipe cards. Because my intent is to actually write out my recipes this year as I cook, because I cook every year, but I don't have these things written down, and my kids have been complaining about that as they've gotten older and moved out and whatnot. So that's what I've been working on, and I just thought I would play with a few stickers with you guys today. I have this whole stack of stickers, you know, bits and pieces of a bunch of different ones. I don't want to get too crazy with it yet though, because I want to add some photos and things after the day of. You know, we're gonna go to my brother's house for Thanksgiving Day, and then the Saturday afterwards we're gonna have Thanksgiving at home. My oldest son is gonna come home with his spouse and her daughters. So so we're gonna have 2 Thanksgivings this year, and so I wanted to have plenty of room to add photos, and so I added this page in the center, and as you can see, I didn't quite get the staples right in the center, and so I just covered it up with some lace on the outside, because it still functions just fine on the inside. But I was thinking this is where I'd put most of the photos, and then my recipe cards will fit in here. I don't know why that's hanging up like that. There we go. I guess it was the glue got weird from when I added this this calendar page. Yeah, there we go. So I've got a recipe card slot there and a recipe card area right here. And I have a couple of different kinds of recipe cards. Some are bigger, but that's where I'm at. And let's see, next Thursday is Thanksgiving Day itself, and then the day after there will be another video, and hopefully I will have some of my recipe cards filled out. If not, then I will come up with something to share related to these, to my recipes, I am sure. So, because I'm not going to have my photos, obviously, from both Thanksgivings, and until I have the photos from both Thanksgivings, I'm not going to want to really install them, you know, put them in here yet. But that's what I've been working on. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to both my channel and to Sherry and Susan's channels. They're awesome for continuing to host these open collabs. So thank you so much.